Command white broom and mop grippers. Store your mops and brooms neatly off the floor when not in use without damaging surfaces. A great cleaning organizer, this wall broom holder sticks on a variety of smooth surfaces without leaving holes, marks or sticky residue. Mount these no-damage wall hangers on painted walls, finished wood and more to enjoy the damage-free hanging of your floor cleaning supplies. Perfect for home renovators and students, use these mop and broom grippers in your home, office or dorm to elevate the appearance of your space without tools, or even use them for camper organization and storage. To use, push your broom or mop handle into the command grippers for easy storage, and pull it out when ready to use. Directions are included, follow them to use the wall mount broom and mop holder correctly. A clever organizing solution that doesn't damage surfaces, these broom and mop holders will help you fearlessly change your space. One package contains 2 white grippers, and 4 command strips. Each gripper holds a broom or mop up to 4 pounds, with a 0.8 to 1 inch diameter handle. Command broom and mop grippers wall hook. Damage-free hanging wall mount broom and mop holder. No tools household cleaning organizer for living spaces, 2 hangers and 4 command strips.